Banana bread is a sweet bread made from mashed bananas, sugar, spices, eggs, and milk. Stay tuned and see how I make this delicious banana bread. So these are all my ingredients. I have some melted butter here, so I mixed in the sugar with the butter. So now I'm going to just put in all the wet ingredients by itself, and then I'll have the dry ingredients separate. So I'm just mixing in that sugar and butter together. So I made some sour milk by adding 1 cup milk and 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and I let that sit, and that's how I got the sour milk. So this is my eggs. I have 3 eggs here, and I cracked them, and I'm just mixing it a little, and I'm going to add that in. Once I add in the eggs, I'm going to put in some essence or vanilla extract, or you can put whatever you have. I have mixed essence right now, so I'm using some mixed essence, and I also have some almond extract. I'm going to put some of that in. I don't have vanilla extract, but the mixed essence have vanilla in it. So this is my bananas. I actually put it in my food processor. I like it like this. I don't really mash it with a fork. I don't like too many big chunks of bananas in my banana bread, so I put it in the food processor and get it more in a liquid kind of form. So I'm going to add in the butter and the sugar to this and mix all of that in. Once it's all mixed in, I'm going to add in some almond extract to this. So in my bowl I have 3 cups of flour, and I'm just grating in the nutmeg. I'm grating in about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm going to put in a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. For the vanilla extract and the almond extract, I used 1 teaspoon each. So I'm going to mix this all up, and I added in 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a tablespoon of baking soda. So once all of that is added in, I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Add this in 2 parts. I put half of the flour in, and then I'm going to add in the other half. So you want to make sure this is mixed in really well. You don't want to over mix this, but you just want the flour to mix in all the way. And once that is well mixed in, we're going to grease 2 bread pans or loaf pans, and we're going to divide this into 2 pans. I didn't want to put it all into one pan because I didn't want it to be too big, so I divided it into 2 pans. So I'm greasing the pans right now. I'm using butter to grease it. So you want to grease this very generously because you don't want the banana bread to stick. So once this is all divided, I bake this at 350 for about 45 minutes. It all depends on your oven. So I will suggest stick in the middle of it with a toothpick and just testing it that way after the 45 minutes, because again, my oven took 45 minutes and it was at 350. So as I know, every oven is kind of different, so you can just figure that out. So this is my finished banana bread. It's so hot, I'm taking it out of the pans, and this is what they look like. It tasted so good. My daughter really enjoyed it. We put a little butter on it, and it's just a nice snack, a nice breakfast snack. I mean, you could eat this for dinner, for dessert. I mean, after dinner for dessert. And you see how soft it came out. It's really nice and soft. So I really hope that you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and just let me know how this came out. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. See how that knife just sliding through that? It was really, really good, and it smelled amazing. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.